Now we have to match the central piece of the middle layer with the top layer. So we have the white layer here. So let's find the white central piece. Okay, you can see white, white, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, and green, green. Now we have to build the middle layer, the edges in the middle layer. So this edge, blue, white, has to be moved from here to here. Okay? So this edge piece has to be moved in the left side of the cube. This is the correct position we have to put our edge. We have to build a T ladder. You can see a T ladder of the same color. The white one is on the bottom and is on the left side of the cube. So to make this movement, we have to move this edge piece in the opposite direction. So we have to move this piece from here to here in the left side. So we will move 90 degrees on the opposite side, on the right side, this way. Now we're gonna start our first move sequence. The first one we have to learn starting on the left side of the cube, because it's on the left side that we have to move our edge. The move sequence is this: down, right with the bottom, up, back, down with these two, up, and build a cube. And the corner piece is done. Let's go on. Find another corner, another edge piece. We have the yellow green here, and we have to build our T letter, yellow T letter. The green one has to be moved on the right side of the cube this time. So, right side, opposite side, left side, 90 degrees. And let's do the same move sequence starting on the right side of the cube, because it's on the right side that we have to move our edge. The move sequence is the same, and but it's mirrored. It's just like if it were a mirror in the middle of the cube. Now I'm gonna show you the move sequence. The move sequence is this: down, left, up, back, down with these two, this way, up, and build a cube. And the corner and the edge piece is done. Let's go on. We have the blue yellow here. Let's build our T ladder, T blue ladder. This edge has to be moved from here to here. So, right side, opposite side, left side, 90 degrees. And start our move sequence on the right side of the cube. Down, left, up, back. Down with these two, up, and build a cube. And the edge is done. Now only one edge is missing. The edge is here. We have our T ladder, the green one. We have to move our edge from here to here. So right side means opposite direction, 90 degrees, and then start our move sequence. Down, left, up, back, down with these two, up, and build a cube. and the first two layers are done. What if an edge piece is already in the second floor, in the middle layer, but it's in the wrong position, just like this time? We have to move this edge from the middle layer to the bottom layer using the same move sequence. Down, we will work on the right side of the cube because it's on the right side that we have our edge. So, down, left, up, back, down with these two, up, and build a cube. Now the edge is on the bottom of the cube. Here we have our T-letter, yellow this time. The edge has to be moved on the right side, so we have to rotate 90 degrees our edge in the opposite direction, and then start our move sequence. Down, left, up, back, down with these two, up, and build a cube. And the edge piece is done.